some of the biggest classic westerns with stars like Jimmy Stewart and Clint Eastwood. In more recent years, this area was seen on screen quite Tarantino's 1930s films on Hollywood, starring Brad Pitt, Leonardo DiCaprio. And we also did a lot of filming here for the Quantum movies. It was a time travel show, so while we were here filming, they had this area dressed up in the West. One of the easiest ways of getting to know these sets is just by going the intense dirt on the street. Makes this area look a little bit more authentic and a little bit less like a road that you're traveling on every day. Something they took into consideration when building these sets is what we call forced perspective. That's how we trick the cameras into thinking things are different sizes on screen rather than what they are in real life. And the way we do that here at 6 Points is through the doorways. Some of the doors out here are a lot taller or a lot shorter than others. If we need to make a character appear bigger and stronger, we place that actor in front of a shorter door. If we need to make somebody look maybe a little more scared or intimidated, we place that actor in front of a taller door. The two actors could be the exact same height, but because the doorways are different. 6 Points itself is sort of a different. There's usually 6 different western streets out here, and each street is a standalone set, so each one is on the movies. They can film up to 6 different westerns here at one time. They didn't have to worry about picking up production pieces from the other movies being filmed because they were filming the sound. Now, just a quick heads up, we're about halfway through our tour, so